So it's day 2, and also as o'clock in the morning. Oh, I spent the majority of last night, right, trying to convince my cats that this wasn't a trap, and it was actually safe for them to move around. I sound like death, which is mainly like asleep, and the fact that everyone else is completely and utterly died as well. So I ended up sitting upstairs in the long bedroom. Not gonna lie, number of spiders present was my deciding factor for which room to actually take. There's only 2 in here, and they are the long-legged ones. Oh, you back off, Mr. Spider, I'm watching you. That was an enthusiastic run. You stay over there. Okay, yeah. I have like a serious phobia of spiders. I'm not coping very well. For some reason, that didn't factor into my whole, new house plans. But then again, I remember that this house has not been lived in since December. Like last year, December, or was it the year before? Because basically someone else bought this house, but then the deal fell through. But the guys had already moved out, so they didn't move back. And it's like it's that how many months worth accumulated of dust and spiders and everything. Yeah, it's an absolute tip. So day 2 is literally going to be cleaning like no one's business. My mum had to go clean the kitchen last night so we could put the milk away. Oh my god, the water was black, like ew, kind of black, like proper black, like no, you don't want to drink that black. It's actually gross. And then we think the cupboard's near the conservatory we use as like a tool cupboard, even though they're kitchen cupboards. I mean, my mum can't get over how dirty they are. I think we're pretty sure that people who lived here before, like the woman was a nurse, so my mum was questioning her sanity for like how she could live like this, because apparently, no, my mum is the expert on cleaning. Not gonna lie, she's got 50 odd years experience in it. She said the amount of mould and like old mouse poo and everything that is in this house far exceeds the time that they left it empty, which means they were living in this, and one of them was a nurse. Like, I don't know, I lived with a nurse at uni. He was the cleanest person I've ever known. Like, he was like so clean and so organised, because like this is what you have to do. So yeah, I don't get it either, but basically it was a bit of a shock. How dirty this place is. So full day of cleaning. Unfortunately, the removal men don't get here till tonight, because it's a 5.5 journey, and they rang us up mid-drive actually yesterday to tell us they could not fit everything in 3 vans, so they're doing an overnight like, I don't know what it's called, storage, that's it. They're doing an overnight storage shop for some of our garden stuff, so it's just going to stay in storage till next week Monday, because the garden stuff apparently is not essential. And privately I agree, but my mum was like, the gardening is very important, don't you know? Yeah. It's not as important to like anyone else. Yeah. What else did we do? Oh yes, cats. Right. Last night we were really worried because the cats would not come out of the cage at all, and they hadn't had a drink, and they hadn't eaten, and I was getting stressed with them. But last night at like 2 o'clock in the morning, I basically had 2 of them sat on me. So yeah, they got over that real quick. It just took them a few hours. I mean, I was really proud of Walnut, because he was the first one out the door, first one to go around the kitchen and the living room, and kind of he'd come back to us for hugs and reassurance, but it was fine. But the other 2 just they took hours and hours and hours. When Ash did come out of the cage, she went straight upstairs, which was a surprise. Walnut has still not come upstairs. He doesn't like the way the floors creak, which neither do I, to be perfectly honest. Like, I don't feel safe walking on these. But we're ripping it all out anyway. Working from the top down, apparently. Oh, would that spider just stop moving, please? You are a distraction, good sir. There are no flies here. Stop it. Anyway, my wonderful, wonderful brother has done half my computer setup for me. So everything's back. Everything's back where it should be. We're just missing my recording equipment. So, well, hey, I am probably going to be recording in this room for a long ass time. Yeah, because they've not just left the house in a state, they've left the garden in a state, which means all the work we wanted to get done is kind of like that's had to take a step back because we have to do the cleaning phase first. And we were thinking, quick vacuum, quick wipe down, everything's fine. Nope. I'm going to try and show you guys what they've left outside because, my God, it is bad. It is so bad. It is like, I'm thinking 3 large skips worth of crap. I'm not allowed to swear, am I? It makes me want to swear, like, especially because they promised to get rid of it, so I don't know what we're going to do about that. Whether we can push them to do it or not, but yeah, I wouldn't leave a house in this state, even if I knew my worst enemy were buying it, like. But it is what it is. I mean, it's not fun, but we'll go. So, cleaning day, yay! Okay, so it's day 3, and day 2 didn't quite go how we wanted to. We wanted to do cleaning on day 2, but what actually happened was the removal men actually turned up really, really early, like super, super early. So in the end, we couldn't do that. I'm trying to work around. Like 2 cats have shoved me off the couch. We have a couch now. That couch is in, which is exciting because we're all sitting on the floor, even though I'm still technically sitting on the floor because these buggers nicked it. Anyway, so I moved the cats up to my bedroom because, yeah, we have like a lot of kitchen equipment coming. I mean, we basically ordered a new kitchen last night, which was that came out of nowhere. But yeah, it's the kitchen my mum always wanted, and she can afford it. So yeah, it's got induction hobs, so I'm happy to cook on it. It's the basics. She can just have it looking however she wants it to. So today's plan, because it's gone a bit different. We don't actually know how well we're going to get with the cleaning because, yeah, it's a lot, and now there is, well, boxes, and yeah, this room isn't even the worst. So all of a sudden, all that space we had is kind of gone. So we accumulated a lot of stuff. But as my brother so rightly pointed out, the more boxes we get rid of, the less space is still going to be taken up. So today's priority is the cats. We're just sort of getting them sorted. I said all their bedding's set up in my bedroom now, so they're with me. Oh, but they kept me up all last night. I'm like, oh, can't wait for them to settle, so there's less mowing at like 3 in the morning. But yeah, we need to get a litter tray upstairs because I found bullets on the carpet this morning. I mean, thank goodness they're bullets because these babies can make a mess when they want to. So I got a bit lucky there. But they don't drink as much when they're stressed, and I know that's why. So yes, litter tray upstairs. And we've also got a cat house which we're going to try and build. I noticed my mum's already started on that, and I really wish she hadn't, because my mum's not an instructions person. So I need to go rescue that very quickly. And hopefully I can build it. Hopefully, we'll see. I found the tools first. I have no idea where they are. But we're going to need at least a screwdriver. Yep, box hell has returned. Day 3. Woohoo! It's moving house, wonderful. Oh, my cat's gone. Okay, so we're in the conservatory now, which is pretty well. Mum's just vacuumed all the spiders out here for me. All the spiders out for me. There's a bit of a fecky huge one that's in the corner. So I'm like 50-50 about being in here. But it's fine because I have a job to do. And the cats matter more to me than my own fear of spiders. But we'll see how long it lasts. Because I have a feeling I'm going to be in here for like a really long fucking time. Anyway, this is the cat tree thing that I've got to build, except I can't find the screwdrivers anywhere. Box hell, like too many boxes. So I don't know what the odds are that this thing came with screwdrivers. Probably not. But even if it just came with like one of those plastic things, like that'll do. So I have a lot of space in here to work with my brother's bike, which isn't too bad. And whatever this is leaning on. Lando garden. That's a garden trolley. I'm not going to be able to move that, that's going to be heavy. So yeah, this is going to be interesting. We'll see how it goes. And I have to try not to die because this conservatory is very, very warm. Very warm. I've never had a conservatory before. Jesus. Okay, so how this goes. Okay. It's just building a cat tree. I can do this. I can totally do this. That is not part of a cat tree. That's it. You are in my way. Back. Lean. Right. And I have space to work with. Big on foul cat litter. This is doable. That is a wall of cat tree variety. I think that's the inside bit. I can do this. If I say it often enough, it'll be true. It's asphalt. Interesting. The cats will like that. Okay. I can't mistake that bit for something else. It's messy. Haven't come across the instructions yet. To my look, this house has no instructions. Stuff. Cat house comes with 3 cat toys and take a ball ball. Either floor or roof, I'm guessing. Not as sure about that one. Oh, a bit thin. Thinking roof. Because I think the floor is like these black ones. I'm at the bottom of the box and I still don't see instructions. This one's 14. This one's 15. supply instructions would be nice at any point. Ooh. Screws. Square off. There's 3 of them, whatever they are. Yeah, don't need that. There you go. Yes. Instructions! Okay. Alright, last pipes now. This is another angled one. So it goes on the angled pipe. Move. Oh, it's got a number. 6. These are numbered. They're numbered in like the teeniest, tiniest little dots. But hey, they're still numbered. It's tiny. I'm gonna need screwdrivers. I can just see. They didn't give me one of those like tiny little packs of them. Okay, screwdriver. I've got 3 screwdrivers. I'm just gonna pray. I'm gonna pray that one of these works. Okay. Right. Now we find page 1. Oh, it's in German. Yay! That looks right? Accurate? Maybe? I'd say it's accurate. Okay.
You know, if my sewing kit's all gone to the Star Wars room.
Yes.
That's okay, I'll set myself up in there then. I need some normality. I'm dizzy. Is it a hangover?
Yeah, it's called being
Oh, she's got that on. I really hate you right now.
dear.
Yeah.
Look, I've got 9, 10. This, I think this is 11. The only thing I don't understand, are they supposed to be screw holes?
No, they're nails.
No, they're screw holes. They are screw holes. They have not been screwed properly.
They're not holes.
Yeah, can you see the little...
They're markers. They're just like...
I am not taking a drill to this.
God, can't anyone make things properly anymore? So you can hide indoors. That really lasted. God, Rox, this is put together really shit. You talk about no one has any pride anymore.
I thought it looks quite good, to be fair.
It's got staple guns on the sides because the wooden pieces weren't made right.
Yeah, Breeze.
soon as I get some wood glue, some waterproof wood glue, I'll be all over it.
It's going in alright, actually.
Should I be doing something?
I have no idea.
I'll just sit here and judge you.
Oh, yeah.
Sure you don't want just a hammer? Okay.
Feels pretty stable. It's good. It's got 10 kilograms of cat to fit on it.
No. It's 4.3 plus 4 plus 3.6.
4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11.6. There you go then, if you want to be pedantic. I thought 10 was a pretty good average.
How are you coping?
No.
It's about to be wanged out the door.
Please don't.
Why did you give me this to do? You know I hate building.
I trusted you.
Why?
If you shuffle your leg round and bring it my way, I can
No.
take off it.
If it's going to be broken, it's going to be broken by me. I've got 2 in. How did you get the bottom ones in?
Brute force. I didn't line them up.
You didn't line them up?
No, I just did the top 2 and then prayed. Because as long as you get the top 2 in, it's straight. So then you just whack the bottom 2 in and with brute force and yeah,
But their holes aren't right.
exactly. So do the top 2 to make it straight. Whack the bottom 2 in.
How's your jumper, by the way?
Crispy.
It's inside out. You know that, don't you?
Is it?
Yeah.
It's not.
Although, if you dirty that side, yeah, and then we go out shopping, you can turn it round.
I'm not going out shopping today.
I'm going to bed.
I'm going to bed too.
I've made tea. Oh, Walnut's brushing his face.
Oh no, you can't leave now, you're trapped in.
I know.
Because he's finally happy enough.
No.
He's not leaving our side, is he?
No.
He stayed on the couch with us, and now he's coming in here with us.
Absolutely shattered. Who said moving house was exciting?
Me. I don't know, I'm having fun. Right, that one's definitely in. Oh, let's tighten this one as well, won't it? I think you've done alright with this bottom one. Okay. Right, I need 4 A screws, please.
A screws. Oh, that I can do.
Mum, you left me. Mum, you left me. I put it on upside down. Come and unscrew it for me. My heart can't do this. Oh. 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 I hate everything. We're done. We're done.
Yay!
Winning. Oh, now I just need a cat. Hour and a half. Oh, we did that in an hour and a half. That's not bad. It's pretty good. We can build. So that's baby tree house. Now we just have to build the adult house. Yay!